Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have some really fun goodies that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and I just wanted to show you why I always recommend that you check out your nearby Dollar Tree or just Dollar Trees around your city, just because they have such great things that are just at an unbeatable price. Everything that you see here was $1.25. Some things do range from $1.25 all the way to $5, but everything that I'm showing in this particular video is only $1.25, and you honestly just can't go wrong with it, so why not? So the first thing that I'm going to start off with is just showing you everything little by little. I'm just going to go ahead really quickly and move this aside just to have some space. So the first thing that I have here are just some napkins, and I did grab this in the party section just because, you know, just to have a better, like, cuter aesthetic when I need to clean up anything. I could always grab these napkins, and they're super cute. It says hello summer, chill out. It says sunny summer days. It's really cute sayings with like beach little graphic pictures and stuff like that. We have the sun, we have the chair, we have the shades, we have it all. So I went ahead and picked these up. I just thought aesthetically they would be cute, like when I'm cleaning something up or whatever. And I like how it has this type of opening where you can close it back up as well with that adhesive, and it does bring 25 for $1.25. So that's the first thing that I went ahead and got. I love how they're constantly changing stuff as well. The second thing are these nail wraps. These are 12 pieces, and you just put them either on your toes or you can put them on your fingernails. It's up to you. And then you have a beautiful set of nails, and you can also cure this with actual gel top coat if you choose as well for longer lasting nail wraps. Is absolutely up to you. It also lets you know how to apply them. So yeah, these I thought were super pretty. I really like them, and I love the color combination with the gold stars and glitter. So we got that. We also have these glitters. I absolutely love going to the craft section just because when I find these, I get super happy. It brings a great amount. And it also is the one that has like the pepper shaker type of dispensers, which is awesome. And how big are these? I'm not sure the exact measurements or grams that it incorporates, but they are just a great size. And only $1.25 at the craft section at the Dollar Tree. And these are things that you'll always need, because when you're doing nails and you're encapsulating and stuff, you always love to incorporate things like this. Make sure you could always use this for whatever else, but since it's a nail channel, I'm particularly using it for nails. I love shaped glitter, so when I found these little stars in the packaging, in the little set of 3, I knew I had to get it. And it's a paper, I'm sorry, it's like a shaker type of dispenser, like a salt and pepper type, and it also brings a covering, so you remove that, and it brings all these shaped glitters that are gold stars. So you just can't go wrong with this type of stuff. The Dollar Tree definitely got a lot better once they changed it to $1.25 and then up to $5. Like, the things there are a lot better, so I definitely recommend. Then we also have this other type of shaped glitter. They're really tiny micro, I guess you can say, hexagons in a gold as well. And then we have silver fine glitter. So it's really, really nice, super cute. You can do so much with these. You can encapsulate them in acrylic, polygel, builder gel, you name it. So you just can never have enough glitter when it comes to creativity. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this tape. I want to get stuck everywhere. Okay, so we have that. Next, I also was really impressed to find these at the Dollar Tree. So these are not flat back, but they are rhinestones. So that's really nice, and it brings a great quantity as well. It's pretty big, and this really cute heavy duty glass jar. Let me just go ahead and show you what they look like. Some really beautiful, I'd say like aqua pointed rhinestones, and you could definitely do rhinestone clusters with these, like in a mermaid set or in like an ocean set or any type of set. I thought they were beautiful, and it brings such a great quantity. $1.25 once again, and they had a variety of colors too, but in this particular haul, I'm just showing you what I grabbed. Then these press-on nails are really unique and pretty, and for $1.25 I thought they were so beautiful that you can just literally put them on, and they're thin enough. The not only are they thin enough, but the color, the base color, is light enough for you can literally cure it with any type of gel adhesive that is for like nail glue that could be cured, which is a lot better to work with in my opinion. So I was extremely happy about buying these. I'm gonna try to see if I can show you what I am talking about really quickly. It's like I could never find anything, but I don't know where it was. Okay, I can't find the one I'm looking for, but this is a really old one that I got from, what was this place called again? I forgot. Oh, Nail Couture, which is like for rhinestones and stuff like that. The Beetles ones is my absolute favorite one. I can't find it at this moment. I know it's somewhere here. Okay, I can't find anything at the moment. It's always the same dilemma. I don't know why. But anyways, yeah, you could definitely cure this with a curable gel for press-ons or whatever the case is. And you have a beautiful set of nails with a really pretty design. I also found these, which are really beautiful and trendy. We have like the marble type of look, just really pretty with the neutral colors. And you can always put a top coat or a builder gel over this as well, just to strengthen it. And they're light enough where you can also add like a gel type of adhesive. So I'm telling you, check out your local Dollar Tree because they have the cutest stuff. Then also in the party section, I found these really pretty like bowls. And the reason why I got these, because first, they're super cute aesthetically. We have really cute summer stuff, and I saw these little pineapple bowls and I had to get them. And the reason I got these were for anything, like let's say I'm working on mixing an acrylic or something and adding my glitters, I can definitely do that here. If I want to mix glitters in here, I can definitely do that here as well. Or if I want to mix a glitter here or whatever the case is, I think these are great for mixing and doing like fun stuff like that. That's why I got these. Or let's say I'm organizing and I want to put a bunch of the same rhinestones all in here and then sort them or whatever the case is. I have these bigger size containers or like little bowls, which I really liked and thought was super cute. I also went ahead and got these at the craft section at the Dollar Tree. These are 40 grams of glitter, so it's a lot. And it also has a really nice dispenser as well, and a protectant on top that you have to remove. And it brings a lot of glitter, honestly. These are jumbo hexagons. Oh, some of them came out, but they're so nice. And they bring such a great quantity. This size of glitter anywhere will cost you easily $3.49 up to like $5. So the fact that it's $1.25 is a steal. Next we also have some more glitter. These are also from the craft section of the Dollar Tree, $1.25 once again. It's like you can't go wrong with this stuff. Okay, so we have this fuchsia hexagon, micro hexagon glitter. Super cute. Then we have star-shaped glitter, which is awesome. We have the cutouts and the stars. So that's so cute. Like literally all this stuff for only $1.25. And then we have this really beautiful iridescent pink, which I love this type of glitter. So yeah, I was really happy when I saw these. You just can't go wrong. So here we have that. Next we have another set of 3. So we have this green fine glitter. We also have iridescent green glitter in little tiny. These are hexagons as well, yeah. And lastly, we have the cutouts with the stars as well in green. It's really pretty lime green. So you have a great combination and variety of these. So yeah, loving that. Next, I also found this little 8-piece set of, it's like a manicure set. It brings 8 pieces. So it brings about, in the back it specifies it, I bet, a bit more. So it brings clippers, it brings nail files, it has a coarse side and a smoother side. I don't know why I'm yawning so much, I'm really sorry. Then we have cuticle sticks to push back the cuticles. We have tweezers. So literally everything, and it tells you exactly what everything is for. So this is always awesome to have. You have a miniature nail clip, a larger nail clip, just basic fundamentals that you always need around, so you can never have enough. Only for $1.25, which is awesome. And I also went ahead and found these 100-piece artificial nails, which they are full coverage nails. How awesome is that? At the Dollar Tree for $1.25. 100 pieces already in its case and everything. And these are the coffin ones. They must be sealed. Let me grab my scissors. Let me grab my scissors. So this is what they look like. So there's no reason why you shouldn't have your nails done, because they have it all at the Dollar Tree. So the bottom, the free edge, is more durable and it's softer at the cuticle, which is exactly what you want to be able to really fall asleep and seamlessly blend it in either with acetone or with your drill bit. And they look literally great. For $1.25, you cannot go wrong. So that is really nice. I should definitely do a video using only Dollar Tree products. It would be so easy to do, just because now they have nail tips. They have nail tips, they have the nail glue, they have everything. And they have nail polishes there. They have it all. have different sizes. So I'm gonna go ahead. Put that there. So in case I need that. Then I also went ahead and got this nail polish. I already had used this for a previous video, but I have never shown it. And this is their Color Vibe Gel Like Shine nail polishes that they have there now. And this one is in CV103 Perfection. And these are really awesome. I actually had used these for stamping in a previous video. I just never showed them in a haul. But yeah, I just used them once, and I wanted you guys to see how great of quality that they have there. It's from the same line, and this one is in Rowdy. They're very pigmented, very nice. You can see. I use these for nail stamping, and you can also use them for, you know, yourself and stuff like that on your own nails. And then I also have, lastly, these from the same brand that they sell there. It's called Feeling It, and it's a really beautiful neon pink. And this is what it looks like. They're all very vibrant, very, very nice. So don't sleep on your local Dollar Tree, because they definitely have great things out there. And they have different stuff in different locations, because I go to different ones and each one has different things. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. Subscribe and share, and comment down below what was your favorite item in today's video. Thank you guys once again, and I'll see you in the next upload.